Oh no, that's too much. Stop me. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nox. If you're new, or welcome darling. This is a safe place, a safe space. Just sit back, relax and enjoy. So I'm going to be following Mihlali's simple everyday makeup tutorial. This is her 4th makeup video on her channel, so I thought why not follow it. I just want to say that this is going to be my 3rd time in my entire life doing makeup. Okay, so if it doesn't come out proper, it's okay. It is what it is.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
Let us begin.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm back at it with an everyday makeup routine. You guys have been requesting this video, so let's get started. This is my cocoa butter from Clicks. It's just a lip hydrating moisturizer thing. Now I'm using my Maybelline pore erasing primer. This helps mattify your oily zones under your makeup. Now I'm going in with my L'Oreal.
Whoa, where's my primer? Okay, I already went in with this Rose Glow Hydrating Illuminating Primer from Revlon. So I actually need to go in with the mattifying one because I've got oily skin. I just need to find it. If I can just find it. Honestly, if I can just find it, life would be great. Okay, I can't find it, so we're just gonna move on. No, but I want to find it. Guys, the texture of this thing, it's like if airbrush were to be tangible, it would feel like this primer. This one, this baby skin instant pore eraser from Maybelline. It is so smooth and airbrushy.
My L'Oreal Infallible foundation. You guys know the drill by now. This is my current favorite foundation, so yeah, it's great for covering. As you guys can see, I have acne scars and all that stuff, so it's very great for coverage due to its orange undertone.
Okay, I'm going to go in with this Superstay 24-hour full coverage foundation from Maybelline in the shade 60 Caramel. Guys, I'm actually filming. Was I supposed to do that? I don't know. I'm actually filming for this no rush makeup challenge. So I thought I can't think of a makeup look at the top of my head, so let me just follow someone else's. Oh, Mimi came to mind, so that's what I'm doing. Yo guys, this foundation is the bomb.com.
And I'm blending that out with my stippling brush from lovelymustabs.com. You guys should check them out. They also have an Instagram account. Now I'm using my NYX Duo Concealer Stick. I'm using the lighter end to highlight my face. And you're just going to blend that out with a damp beauty blender. You guys stay asking where I get my beauty blenders. And
What is this? Is that a lot? I look like I have a goatee. Guys, is this it? She went further down there by her under eyes. Why are you scared, Nooks? And then I now blend. Okay.
And I always get them from Clicks. I mean from Discam. My bad.
My bad.
Stippling brush just to go around my highlight so I don't have any harsh lines on my face. To set my highlight, I'm using my Benai banana powder, which I ordered from Makeup South Africa. That's actually an Instagram page, you guys should check them out. It was about 500 rand.
Okay, I'm gonna set my highlight with this Photo Ready Candid Anti-Pollution Setting Powder in the shade 002. Okay,
You're just gonna put that over all the areas where you placed your concealer highlight on.
Goes in under highlight. Oh guys, it's going in my eye and now I've got a photo of setting powder in my eye. I'm seeing a setting powder. What's happening, Kaale? Guys, is this right? Mihlali? Guys, I'm seeing in setting spray, like everything is in setting spray around me right now. Okay.
Now I'm going to be blending out the center of my forehead with a powder brush because I'm going to move on to my eyebrows now and I don't want to have any powder in the way. To prep your eyebrows and to just shape them up, we're going to be using a...
I'm not gonna do my eyebrows because I've already done them, as you can see.
Now to contour my face, I'm using my LA Girl HD Pro Concealer in the shade Espresso. I
don't think I even have like a contouring shade. I don't. Okay guys, let's pick the darkest one. I think Fawn is dark enough for... Is it Fawn or Toffee, guys? Maybe let's mix them. Is that a good idea? Guys, do you guys do that? Is that allowed? Like, as a person who does makeup, is that allowed? Hello, anybody wanna answer me? Oh, I've got tinters. I got this tinter from Makeup Drop. That's what they call Makeup Drop. Just wanna make them dark. I wanna make this dark. I think that's too dark, but it is what it is.
Now to contour my face, I'm using my LA Girl HD Pro Concealer in the shade Espresso. I really do love the shade for contouring. It's a little bit darker than that shade I used in my other video, and I just really think it looks...
Is this it? Guys, someone stop me because I don't think I'm doing the right thing. Someone call the police. Bel die polisie. Helemaal bel die polisie.
Better and it lasts all day. And I'm also going to be contouring the, I think it's called temples of your forehead, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah.
Oh, yellow body police. Oh, that's too much. Body police. I went onto my hairline. Body police for real now. There's hair in my face. This girl.
I'm cornering right up there and the size of my nose to make my nose appear slimmer.
Guys, I've got a small nose already, so if it's gonna appear slimmer, it's gonna be a slim small nose, which I don't think we want that. I don't think we want that. Okay. That's like just too big. I don't know what's happening.
And to blend out my contour, I'm going to be using my beauty blender and my fingers to blend my nose contour out, because I feel like when I use a beauty blender or a sponge on my nose, it does get a little bit messy, so I'd rather use my fingers.
Oh no. Oh no. No.
So we're gonna get right up in that contour bee.
Yes, bee.
Now I'm using my favorite blush of all time. This is my MAC Raisin Blush. It is super pigmented, a very warm tone, which is amazing for women of color. You guys should check that out. And
Okay. Blush. I am going in with this Essence The Blush in the shade 40 Beloved. Look at this whole embroidery situation. So cool.
and then to mascara-rise.
Okay, before we mascara-rise, we need to blusherize. That's too much blush. That's too much, ne? I feel like I look like my bro. I feel like I look like my bro van der Merwe. With the pink blush and the red lips and the blue eyeshadow and the permanent eyeliner and the razor cut and the two-piece that always matches and your block shoes, your block heels, and cool step with Jebu and cool Nokukhanya. Guys, I look like my bro. It's too pink, or maybe I don't know.
My lower lash line, I am using my Revlon mascara. I'm not too sure what this one's called. I'll add it in the description box. And then to go over that, I'm going to be using my volumizing eyelash mascara from Yardley, because I felt like it adds a bit more drama than the Revlon one, and I absolutely love drama on my eyes, so I'm going to go back in there with that. I think defining your lashes is very important for everyday makeup look, because that just helps you look more awake than you would if you just wear foundation only.
Okay. Thanks, Mimi.
Now to highlight my face, I'm using my...
guys, me, I don't have highlighter.
I'm just going to be highlighting the bridge of my nose and my cheekbones. Yeah, we love that highlight. And for my lips, I'm using my favorite nude lipstick, which is my MAC Taupe lip color, which is absolutely amazing for an everyday look, even at night. Like, it's just a great lip color. And to pop my inner corners, I am using my NYX Jumbo Pencil. It's a champagne gold color. I'm not too sure about details, but I will list that in the description box, and I'll let you guys know the exact shade. But anyway, this is my everyday go-to makeup routine. Last but not least, to set your makeup, before I forget.
Oh no, not this makeup lip. No, not this lip. Because it matches with my cheeks. And now I really look like my fro. My fro. My fro. My fro. Yeah. I like that. Sato. Sato. We love Sato. She highlighted. I don't have a highlighter. So maybe I do. Or maybe I don't. Let me check this palette. No, I don't. Could this pass as a highlighting shade? These two? Let's try this one. I'm gonna first watch this. I'm gonna put it in the wash. Can you see that? Yes, yes, mama. Yes, queen. That's it. Ooh, ooh. Cupid's bow. Really Cupid's bow, honey. Ooh. My throat over here. Oh no, that's too. Stop me. I'm done. Okay, stop me. Stop, Kaale. Oh, guys, what's happening? What's happening? What's happening? What happened? What happened? Okay. Alright. Thank you. I'm done. I'm gonna set my face.
I'm gonna be using my L'Oreal setting spray, and you're just gonna spray that all over your face. It helps your makeup last longer, which is a very important step when you're just doing everyday makeup look, because you leave your house in the morning, you come back later, and you don't want to come back with your makeup melting off.
I'm gonna be using this Maybelline Lasting Fix setting spray. Okay, it's got a matte finish. That's great, because this chica has an oily face. Okay.
2,000 years later.
That's what I thought. Get the ASAP.
So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You guys have been asking me for this video, so y'all, it's finally here. This is what I do if I just feel like wearing makeup to campus.
Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add lashes, and then yeah, I'll show you the final look at the end. Okay guys, so I've just put on my lashes. In this tutorial, Mihlali doesn't put on any lashes because she says it's an everyday makeup look, and I understand not everyone goes out with eyelashes on when they do their everyday makeup look. So I'm quickly gonna let my hair down, do a quick montage, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. It's all out from me to you. Until next time,